Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the alkane part of organic chemistry, and this is the preliminary lecture on alkane. So students, look at the whiteboard. You know that hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon single bond are known as alkane. Dear students, methane is the first member of alkane, and you can also say that methane is the primary compound of alkane. Now if I increase the number of carbon atom, I can write here ethane. Students, if you observe the structural formula of ethane, you will see that there is a carbon-carbon single bond. And again, if you write here 3 carbon atoms having single bond, then it will be the propane. And all those compounds are alkane because all those hydrocarbons contain carbon-carbon single bond. And students, I can write the molecular formula of ethane as there are 2 carbon atoms, that's why it will be C2, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen atoms, that's why the formula of ethane is C2H6. And again, the formula of propane 1, 2, 3, C3H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, H8. This is the molecular formula of propane. Dear students, you have learnt the general formula of alkane in class 10 also. The general formula of alkane is CnH 2n plus 2. When n is equal to 1, it will be C1H 2 into 1 plus 2 or CH4. Again, when it will be n is equal to 2, it will be C2H2 into 2 plus 2 or it will be C2H6. When n is equal to 3, it will be C3H2 into 3 plus 2 or C3H8. That's all about the general formula of alkane. Now I am going to discuss about the general preparation of alkane. By decarboxylation reaction, decarboxylation reaction means reduction of carbon dioxide. Dear students, in this case, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. Sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide lime mixture is known as soda lime. While it is heated, this part of salt combines with the NO of caustic soda to produce sodium carbonate, and R bond H. This is alkane. This is alkane. Now, if I write sodium ethanoate as example, COO(Na) plus soda lime, calcium oxide, then it will be sodium carbonate plus, and this hydrogen combines with CH3 to form CH4. So dear students, if I increase the number of carbon atoms, it will be sodium propanoate, and in case of sodium propanoate, this hydrogen atom combines with CH2 to form CH3 bond CH3 ethane plus sodium carbonate is produced as byproduct. So dear students, by decarboxylation reaction we can get the alkane from alkene in the presence of nickel catalyst. Hydrogen gas is passed to the alkene and at 200 to 250 degree centigrade temperature, then alkane is produced. If I write here ethene as an example, hydrogen gas is passed to the ethene in the presence of nickel catalyst at 200 to 250 degree centigrade temperature to produce ethane. To produce ethane and propene, hydrogen gas is passed in the presence of nickel catalyst at 200 to 250 degree centigrade temperature to produce propane. Dear students, it is stated that you have to memorize, you have to knock at the changing point. That is it can be understood easily. One hydrogen atom combines with CH carbon and another hydrogen combines with CH2 carbon to form the propane. Actually here the one is sigma bond and another is pi bond. One pi bond is break to form two new sigma bonds, and in this case two hydrogen atoms become attached to this new sigma bond. Then I can write here CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. Actually students, I would like to teach you about the changing point of the organic reaction. It is stated that you can't memorize so many types of organic reaction. It is very tough to memorize, but if you understand the changing point, if you understand the mechanism of the organic reaction, then you can fill up the unknown organic reaction. This is the major point of organic chemistry. So come to the another point, Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, alkyl halide is heated with sodium metal to form higher alkane. Dear students, it is noted that the number of carbon atom is more than that of reactant molecules in the product. That is why I have said to you this is the higher alkane, and in this case the halogen combines with sodium metal to form sodium halide. So dear students, if I write here an example, ethyl iodide is heated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to produce ethane. In this case, those two methyl groups combine together to form ethane, and sodium metal combines with iodide to form 2 sodium iodide. And students, you can see here actually the number of carbon will be double in the product side. I mean, you will get the even number of carbon in the product in normal Wurtz reaction. But if I would like to get the mixture of different types of alkane by Wurtz reaction, I have to take different number of alkyl halide like methyl iodide and ethyl iodide. In this case, the number of carbon atoms are same in the are different in the reactant molecules, and is heated in the presence of dry ether. Actually, dry ether is used here as solvent. Then firstly this methyl group combines with this ethyl group to form propane. Then to sodium iodide, sodium and iodine combine together to produce sodium iodide as byproduct, and this methyl iodide it will be the double as alkane, so it will be ethane, and again there are 2 carbon atoms in the ethyl iodide, that's why it will be the 4. I mean, it will be the butane as product. That's why I can say here in this reaction the mixture of propane, butane and ethanol is obtained. So dear students, if I take the different alkyl halide as reactant in the Wurtz reaction, I will get the mixture of different alkanes as product, and sodium iodide is obtained as byproduct in all cases. So from Grignard reagent, what is Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. If alkane halide is refluxed with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether, then alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. And this is a very important reagent in the organic chemistry, because from Grignard reagent we can produce different types of alcohol, carboxylic acid, and even we can produce alkane also here. If we add water with the Grignard reagent, dear students, I can write here water as OH bond hydrogen here. Actually magnesium halide combines with OH to form magnesium hydroxy halide, and this hydrogen combines with alkyl group to produce alkane. And if I write here methyl magnesium iodide as an example, it will be magnesium iodide OH, magnesium hydroxy iodide plus this hydrogen atom combines with CH3 to form CH4, and again ethyl magnesium iodide combines with water to produce ethane. This hydrogen combines with CH2 to form CH3 bond, CH3 plus magnesium hydroxy iodide. That's all about the preparation of alkane from the Grignard reagent, and those 4 types of preparation are very important for the alkane part of organic chemistry. And dear students, if you can't memorize, or if you can't understand the mechanism or the type of reaction, you can't answer the creative type question, because all those reaction may set as a STEM a creative question. Even in some cases you will get those questions directly as knowledge based or comprehensive type question. So students, no more today and goodbye.